How to change alarm background on your Android. We'll simply search for the clock application and simply tap on it. Now from the bottom section, tap on alarm to set an alarm and tap on plus. Now from here you can toggle between any time. This is for hours and the second one is for minutes and the final one is for either setting to AM or PM. Now to set an alarm background, simply scroll it down and tap on the alarm background. Now this is the default suggestion. If you want to change this background, tap on the background at the top bar. Now you have some suggestion. You can select any one of these, or you can add your custom images from your gallery. Tap on gallery, and from the recent photos you can select on any one, and if you're satisfied, tap on done and your new background has been added. Now to save this, tap on save and you're all set to go. And that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next